On 24 June 2020, CBIC has issued certain notifications through which various filing dates has been revised. We are going to have a quick look on these notifications in this video. This video covers notification number 50/2020 Central Tax, notification number 51, 52, 53 and 54/2020 Central Tax issued on 24th June 2020. Notification number 50/2020. Applicable rates for composition scheme has been revised through this notification. The table in Rule 7 of CGST Rules 2017, which provides these composition scheme tax rates, has been substituted with this new table. For manufacturer of goods, except the goods which are notified by government like ice cream and pan masala, the rate shall be 1% of the turnover. That is 0.5% of SGST and 0.5% of CGST. For food and restaurant services, which are services mentioned in the Schedule 2 Para 6B, the rate shall be 5% of turnover. For other supplies under Section 10 subsection 1 and 10 subsection 2, which are not covered above, that is traders, the rate shall be 1% of the turnover. For those who are registered under Section 10(2)A of Composition Scheme, which is for suppliers of services and mixed supplies with turnover up to Rs 50 lakhs, the rate shall be 6% of turnover. Notification number 51/2020. This notification is regarding the applicability of interest on late deposit of tax, which is done through GSTR 3B. In case of taxpayers whose turnover in the preceding year is more than Rs 5 crores, for the month of Feb 20, March 20 and April 20 tax periods, interest rate shall be nil up to 15 days from their actual due date of GSTR 3B. Then the interest rate shall be 9% if these returns are filed up to 24 June 2020, and thereafter normal rate of interest shall be applicable. In respect of those taxpayers whose turnover in the preceding year is up to Rs 5 crore, there would be no interest if GSTR 3B for the months of Feb 20 to July 20 is filed up to the dates which are mentioned in the table. These dates are staggered for Group A states and Group B states. You may take the screenshot of these dates, and after the dates mentioned in the table, 9% rate of interest shall be charged if 3B is filed up to 30th September 2020 for these tax periods. And after 30th September 2020, normal rate of interest shall be charged for these tax periods, that is 18%. Notification number 52/2020 is regarding late fees on GSTR 3B. For taxpayers with turnover up to Rs 5 crore, there would be no late fees on filing of GSTR 3B if return for tax periods Feb 20 to July 20 is filed up to the dates which are mentioned in Table 1. These dates are again staggered for Group A states and Group B states. In case of taxpayers with turnover more than 5 crore, there would be no late fees if return is filed up to 24 June 2020 for the tax periods of Feb 20, March 20 and April 20. It is to be remembered that if these timelines are missed, then late fees shall be calculated not from these dates in the table but from the respective original due dates. Notification number 52/2020 also provides for the relaxation in regard to late fees in filing of old outstanding GSTR 3B. Late fees has either been waived or reduced on the basis whether the return is nil or not. For July 17 to January 20, nil returns shall attract no late fees if these 3B returns are furnished between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. And for GSTR 3B returns which have tax liability for the period of July 17 to January 20, late fees shall be Rs 500 per return if these outstanding GSTR 3B are furnished between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. Notification number 53/2020. This notification is regarding extension of GSTR 1 filing dates. There would be no late fees if GSTR 1 for the respective tax periods as mentioned in the tables are filed up to the dates as mentioned in the adjacent column in the table. Notification number 54/2020. Through this notification, due date of filing of GSTR 3B for the month of August 2020 has been extended for the taxpayers with turnover up to rupees 5 crores. For Group A states, August 20 GSTR 3B date shall be 1st October 2020, and for Group B states, the date has been extended to 3rd October 2020. These date extensions has been granted only for taxpayers with turnover up to rupees 5 crore. So these were the important notifications wherein various deadlines have been relaxed or extended, and these deadlines are very important and should not be missed. We'll keep bringing you GST and other tax related updates on regular basis. Make sure you don't miss them by subscribing to our channel Tax Pyramid. For regular tax related updates, you can also log into www.gstsiteindia.com. Thank you.